All right, let's do this. Take one. Take one. Revit 2020 unboxing. Hello YouTube, welcome to the Revit 2020 unboxing video. We're gonna get into this bad boy. My heart's racing, I bet you're as excited as I am. To crack into this thing, I have my X-Acto premium blades. These are sharp. And you know what else is sharp? Is storing a model in BIM 360 with cloud models for Revit. Okay, so I'm gonna crack into this outside box here. Oh, nice. Still cardboard on the outside, but getting closer, which is exciting. Oh yeah, okay, so I'm seeing an inner box, which I love. Oh, wow. I'm seeing, seems to be some sort of folded origami heart, which is such a high-class touch. It looks like it was done by hand. Knowing these guys, there's gonna be an awesome message in here. It's what I think it is. It's a features list. It looks like it was written by hand, probably in some type of calligraphy. And all these features, man, this list is incredible, but the one that jumps out for me is PDF into Revit. That's huge. Yeah, other stuff, this list is massive. I'm gonna post this down below. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna get all the way into this main box. Yeah, these, you gotta use these are good. Keep them around. And then, here we go, the big reveal. Oh, wow. Oh, man. It's a logo on there. It's classic. It's good branding. Crack this guy open. Wow.
Welcome to Revit 2020.
Oh, okay. Something's happening.
We're here to help you unpack this release. There are lots of new tools to help you create accurate, detailed documentation that represents design intent. Elliptical walls for architects, more control for electrical designers,
and for structural designers and detailers, improvements and new features to produce more accurate rebar documentation.
It's amazing.
New features for tagging steel elements.
And Revit 2020 has some huge new features for connecting people and data. PDF underlay support. For MEP, the extension to fabrication exports. The path of travel tool.
Get Dynamo 2.1 in Revit 2020.
New Dynamo nodes automate modeling of steel connections. New tools let you place steel connections more efficiently. Plus, Revit 2020 use background processes to carry out performance-intensive tasks.
Wow, you heard it here first, guys. This is big news coming out of Revit 2020. Thanks so much.